I'm meteorologist Peter Hall. Here's your CNY Central First Alert forecast. And as we look ahead today, it's more of the same. Unsettled weather continues, mostly cloudy skies with snow showers and flurries. Difference today is that we have more of a brisk breeze than yesterday, a northwesterly wind at 10 to 20 miles an hour. Temperatures are going to be in the lower 30s this morning and mid 30s this afternoon for Syracuse, upper 20s to near 30 this morning for the higher elevations, and this afternoon between 32 and 34. This morning, if you're traveling around over the highest elevations, it's slushy, coating to an inch or two of snow on the ground, while lowest elevations are mainly wet. We look ahead. March arrives in a flaky fashion. In like a Groundhog Day, or like Groundhog Day, remember the movie where it just seems like it repeats itself over and over again? Well, I suppose you could say that. It's like a persistent pattern that doesn't want to change, at least through this weekend. Monday, I'm hopeful that we get a little sun and maybe a small amount of sunshine Tuesday too. But we're still watching Wednesday and Thursday. That's because of a system that right now is south of Alaska in the North Pacific. That storm will finally break the pattern locally of the stuff we've got this weekend. But what it will do is move over the southeastern United States and eventually be near Virginia and off the coast as maybe some snow. Now, whether we get something out of that or not is still way too early, but something I wanted to let you know about so you can plan ahead. You got to keep an eye on that. We certainly will. So I got those light snow showers and drizzle. Excuse me. We may have a little small waning of the precipitation midday. Doesn't mean it's necessarily going to completely taper off, but some spots will taper or get very, very light middle of the day before coming back a little bit in intensity late this afternoon. Further accumulations between 9 a.m. and 4 o'clock this afternoon are going to be negligible, if any, because it's during the daytime hours. It's now March, sun is stronger, even though we're only expecting peaks today of sun, if that. It still gets through the clouds and warms the ground, or at least the streets, so it will be little accumulation during the day. Now tonight, you see there's more snow showers and flurries. The temperatures will be a handful of degrees colder. Even the lower elevations have an opportunity. I think will range from a trace to an inch in lowest elevations where we have persistent snows to 1 to 2 inches over the hills, south and north of Syracuse. More snow showers and flurries again on Saturday, and gusty breeze, persistent pattern continues. Some of our computer models try to bring in some slightly steadier snow. You can see that in the darker blue here. Now, if that works out to be correct, then I would say an inch likely, lowest elevations maybe 2, and then 2 to 3 over higher elevations. So I know these amounts aren't exactly staggering, but nickel and diming, especially nighttime and early morning hours. About 10% peaks of sunshine today through the weekend. It's a high probability, rather low impact, just because you know it's happening. Don't take advantage of it, because sometimes the nighttime and early morning hours are going to be slick and slippery. There you go. Remember I talked about watching the coastal? Right now, the chance of us getting anything is only 1 in 3. It's not 0. It can be posted. Now that we're in early March, the normal high is about 38. But we're actually going in the wrong direction here in the short term for the weekend. We'll be closer to 30 Saturday and Sunday. Local temperatures for you, regional numbers, and nationwide numbers. I wanted to get to this map, which shows you that persistent, locked up, constipated pattern. It really is. It's not moving. Oh, until that system, by the way, the one in the Pacific is right about in there. This will eventually unclog everything, but then give us a chance of that coastal storm Wednesday and Thursday. I'm meteorologist Peter Hall. Have a pleasant weekend.